There's always been a mystery in me, how two hearts can come together and love can last forever. And now that I have found you, I believe.
Excited na ako na harapin yung panibagong yugto na aming buhay bilang mag-asawa. At excited ako doon dahil alam ko na marami pa yung plano yung Lord sa buhay namin. At yun, naniniwala naman ako na magiging responsable siyang ama at asawa sa akin at sa mga magiging anak namin. So yun, mahal na mahal kita.
Oh, I wonder what God was thinking when He created.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo. Salamat dahil tinanggap mo ko at tinanggap mo yung mga bagay na meron ako at hindi mo ako hinanapan ng mga bagay na wala ako. At kontento ka sa kung ano man yung naibibigay ko. Maraming salamat kasi ikaw yung tao na matyaga at mahaba yung pasensya. Napakabait mo at yun, mahal na mahal kita.
I promise that wherever you may go, wherever life may lead you, with all my heart I'll be there too. From this moment on, I want you to know I let nothing come between us, and I will love the ones you love. Now gone are all my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life.
Oh, I wonder what God was thinking.
Magpakatatag lang kayo sa relasyon nyo, tapos center nyo lang si Lord.
Bilang ate mo, payo ko sa'yo, sana pag may problema kayong mag-asawa, pag-usapan ninyo. Tapos, kung may problema ka, lapit ka lang sa akin, magsabi ka ng problema mo.
Unang-una sa lahat, congratulations. Sobrang saya ko para sa araw na ito, special na araw para sa iyo. Ngayon, opisyal na magsisimula ang bagong kabanata bilang asawa. Naway maging matatag ka, mapagmahal, at higit sa lahat, mas lalo pang maging responsable. Hindi lang para kay Ate Beth, kundi para sa pamilyang bubuuin ninyo.
They just have to be together, and that is why I know it's true. You're for me and I'm for you, 'cause my world just can't be right without you in my life. Oh, I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all